Good morning, everyone. All the freedom fighters all over the world, all the social political freedom fighter that want the betterness of Africa, the betterness of Nigeria. I greet you all this morning, and may the good Lord who created heaven and earth bless every one of you. All my subscribers, all my followers, all my fans, my well-wisher friends, all my unions who have subscribed for Fidelity Patrick YouTube channel, I thank every one of you, and I say God Almighty will bless you. This morning I have this to say. The problem why Nigeria, there is so much agitation in the land, why there is poverty in Africa as a whole, is the political class. The political class and the youth. Some of the youth support those evil political leaders who are swimming in the ocean of darkness, who don't know they are left to right, who are criminals. Africa political leaders are criminals. Look at Nigeria today. Osibajo, as an educated person, went and launched electrical car while you are oil producer country. You are introducing electrical car in your country. Are you boosting the economic of the country, or you are reducing and killing the economic of the country? Oil is the only resources that you people put your hope, you put your mind, you put everything you have is oil, is our crude oil. That has passed, my people. Take a look of the level of school fees in Nigeria. Ambrose Ali University, the one Oshomole Opuati Yamo, Auchi Polytechnic. Take a look of the rate of increment of school fees, because they want to stop the poor citizen, enable them not to achieve educational knowledge, educational level. Why they are doing this? Because they know the Northerners, their children do not go to school. That is why you see they are trying in no way, in no means, to make sure they stop people from achieving their educational level. My people, if you are a youth, people protesting against bad governance, bad system of Nigeria, and you are protesting against those people, you are the problem of Nigeria. Look at when Buhari want to come to power. This is the same thing you guys were doing. Anybody that thought, they say, hey, Buhari is going to repair Nigeria. Look at Nigeria today. Nigeria is a laughing stock all over the world. Nigeria citizens have no value all over the world. Why? Because of bad government and bad system. Nigeria is supposed to be in charge of taking care of the whole world because of the mineral resources we have. But today, Nigeria is backward in the race because of bad leadership, incompetent leadership, leaders that are criminal, leaders that don't know what to do, that are full of confusion. Look at Nigeria today, agitation everywhere. If people say they want to go, can't you people allow them to go? London are the wicked people I have ever seen in this planet Earth. London amalgamated Nigeria together. People that don't supposed to be the same country, London amalgamated us together and said the Muslim and the Christian should be together. How can that work? When you know the Northerners, they are barbaric, they don't go to school. They are the only one that you guys can be able to use and be looting our resources, looting our oil. Today, there is problem in Nigeria. People are being killed. People are being destroyed, being kidnapped, being raped. There is no international community that is saying something about it. But our youth that are supposed to come out on the street and protest against this evil atrocity that is going on in Nigeria, some of them are still supporting the evil government of Nigeria. Take a look of other civilized countries, other part of the world. You see how they construct their country. You see how they build their country. But today, Look at how they are destroying Nigeria every day, because the Fulanis, they are in power. Anywhere that Fulani is ruling, they are always backward. So my people all over the world, this is a serious problem in Nigeria. If they feel this problem will be over by the way the government is going about it, the government is making a very big mistake. The government is making a very big mistake that will cause a great calamity to the land. Why all those oppression? Why? From the key position in politics, in security and security agencies, the Northerners occupied everywhere. And you guys call that one Nigeria. Some are still supporting this evil Buhari, that Buhari is doing well. Why you guys are suffering in that same country? And the school fees have go to a level that no poor person can able to what? Go to school again. Remember, a country whereby education is not being given to the citizen, there will always be what? Criminal and all sorts of criminal acts. You are trying to stop your citizens from getting education benefits by increasing the school fees. Is that a country? And nobody is saying something about it. This Ahmed Lawal, the House of Rep Speaker, you are a failure. You are a disgrace to human race. Ahmed Lawal, you are a failure. You are a disgrace. This is my word, my people. God bless you all.